Hi guys. So I'm doing another video just on my bike. Casual video. Haven't scripted it or anything. So I was thinking about the stock market, thinking about some news that I've heard that there are whales identified in China that are taking a massive bet against uh, Wall Street, the stock market, the NASDAQ, the Dow. Of course, there's COVID, there's an overheated stock market, there's all this money printing and inflation. So, you know, it makes sense that they might be looking to make money off of a crash or a significant correction, I'll just say. If we have a 15 to 22% stock market correction, something like that, these investors or hedgers could make a ton of money off of it, right? So I think it's a sign that it's just one additional sign that our overheated stock market is in a lot of trouble, and what to do, what position to take. So I've been thinking about it a little bit, and I like gold mining stocks for what I think the short-term scenario that we're going up into from now until October. I think that being in gold mining stocks and cash would be a good thing. Getting out of the stock market would be a good thing. Holding 80 to 90% cash in the crypto market and just having 10 or 20% in crypto, I think is the right thing to do, because we're heading for a market correction, and that's going to be a buying opportunity for cryptocurrency, right? But only if you get out and into cash ahead of time. And I don't, with all the inflation problems, with all the money printing, with all the overheated stock market, I don't know how long retail investors are going to stay in the stock market. I don't know what they're going to do with their positions. If they're just going to have their money managers handling their 401k deal with the problem. I guess a lot of people just let other people deal with the problem. I guess that's what will happen. That will help to keep the market afloat, that there's so many people who are hands off. Okay? So that's one positive thing, is that a lot of people leave it to some expert to handle, their money and their 401ks and all these funds. And so that's a good thing, that they're not going to pull everything out and put everything into cash, because that will cause a crash if they did that. So not just, when I say gold mining stocks, I mean, do your research and find out, where the areas in the world are where there's really good quality land, like Nova Scotia. There's a gold mine in Nova Scotia that's developing, that they were trading at about 21 cents per share last week. That's very interesting. They have good ground. Not just the Barrett of the world, not just the big mines, but seeking out these smaller mining companies that have good ground. They're drilling in Nova Scotia, and when they get the results from these test holes that they're drilling, then the price of this stock is going to go up. So it'll still probably be a good buy, but I don't have the ticker symbol. I'm just on my bike. I don't have a computer. I don't have notes with me. I don't have a script. So I'm sorry. I'll have to do another video where I give out the name of the companies that that I'm following. Okay? But that's just that's a feeling I have right now. about the stock market. Crypto is a rough road, you know. From now until the fall, when Cardano has their smart contracts functioning, you know, if we have a stock market correction that's really significant, if we have a 15 to 25% stock market correction, it's going to certainly shake everything up, right? We could easily have a 15% stock market correction, easily. Maybe even 20, easily. I don't know about more than that. More than that, I'm not sure. But I expect a correction. And I expect it in the next 45 days. I expect it at the end of July, beginning of August. I expect it to certainly kick off then, and it could just continue to go down from there for a while. So I'll do another video on these mining stocks where I'll have the ticker symbols, and I'll have some notes. Okay? See you in the next video.